Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to send broadcast message on Viber in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. Broadcast is a powerful feature that allows you to send a message to multiple subscribers at the same time in an automated manner. It helps businesses to send announcements, discounts, updates, and notifications to their contacts. To send a Viber broadcast, first, you need to create your flow. Go to the broadcast section and click Send. Select the Viber on the list of channel. Then select your flow and click on Send. You can use a condition to target specific contact if you need to. There you have it. You just learned how to send broadcast messages to your contacts on Viber in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. By the way, don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.